Okay, so I'm walking at the track and I've got a confession. I'm really jealous of all the Jeeps with their ducks. So I've been thinking about it, and I want to start a new thing with Jayco's. Jayco's label is the Jaybird. So let's do a bird, giving the bird. Instead of getting ducked, let's give the bird. What do y'all think? I think I'm gonna start it this weekend. Y'all, my package is in. I can't wait to show you what it is. I'm so excited.
What you got?
I'm so excited. You have to wait till I open it all the way up. It's my birds.
You giving the bird to somebody?
I'm giving the bird to somebody. Where's all my Jayco people at?